spill video. Okay, so today we're gonna be spilling some tea on Real High. I forgot to say the intro. Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another video of Real High instead of Star Stable right now. So I see that on Cyber's channel there is an eye down here and some new faces. So let's stand here and see if someone jumps around in my face or anything. And if you click the eye, it actually stops you from seeing everyone. But when you go out, you see everyone again. So, yeah. And there's also another few things that I have been wanting in Royal High for ages. So, when you go into this, as you can see, there are more things. And you can sort them and stuff. This is awesome, guys. I am super excited. Okay, let's check out the face. Ooh. Okay, that's ugly. That's cuter. Ooh. Ooh, vampire. I like vampires. I don't like a vampire. Ooh, that was cute. That's really cute. Pennywise face. Yas, people. Yas, people. Yas. Oh, this one's kind of cute. I like this one. This one's cute. This one's like a natural makeup. Ooh, I like this color eye difference. Okay, there's heaps that I want to try on, but I don't think we have time for that. So if you've got Royal High, go try them out. Make sure to record it and tag me and post it on YouTube. Thank you. And I can't see anyone at the moment, so see. Okay, I need to change my name because I was role playing at one stage, and yeah, I was role playing at some stage. I don't know what stage, and then I fell asleep, I think. I have no freaking idea. Here's the motherfucking tea. Who's seen that TikTok? The hair's actually got names now! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ooh! I haven't played Royal High in so freaking long. I don't know. I haven't played this in so long that I forgot, everything in Royal High. This is awesome. See if there's any new outfits for us to check out. So I'm wearing one of the new outfits right now. See this one? I'm wearing this one at the moment. So you can actually earn the badge for doing the Easter egg hunts, for doing all of the eggs, egg hunts. Seriously, the wheel's broken still. The wheel is freaking broken. Dang it. Well, let's go try and get the halo before we spill some more tea. Your friends have been begging you to visit the fountain today. You have finally agreed to see what the hype is about. Okay. I don't really know if this is going to give me an Easter halo. I'm hoping it is because I don't have halos. I mean, if I actually go into dress up and then go to halos, then yeah, I won't have any single halo. You walk through the glowing water and sit on the edge of the fountain as you stare at the beautiful spring flowers. Please give me a halo, please give me a halo, please give me a halo, please give me a halo. Dev. Wow. While waiting for your friends to come, you try to decide if you want to make an Easter wish and toss your diamonds into the fountain. Let's toss 200. Since I'm poor. See what we get. So I was watching Sabrina just then, and I realized that she was spilling tea, so I decided to do a spill tea video. Here's another frickin' tea. Okay, you toss your diamonds in a letter falls out of the sky onto your head. You grab it quickly before it hits the water and read. In this fountain are 4 hidden eggs. Blue, pink, purple, and yellow. Match the egg with the bunny hopping around in Divinia of the same colour. You run around Divinia all day and unable to find bunnies that are the same colours as Easter eggs. How sad. I lost my diamonds! No! I lost my diamonds! No! I don't want to lose my diamonds. I don't want to lose my diamonds. I don't want to lose it. When are they opening the auction house? I've still got this face on. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go into halos just to show you that I've got no halos. So, and I've got nothing that's on my neck. I've got some earrings and ears and stuff. Black capes and tails. I've got the rainbow trail. Arms, hands, and bags. I don't have bags actually, apart from that candy bag from last year. I've got this. I think everything's full apart from my legs and feet actually. Well, let's go shopping! Shopping spree, shopping spree. Okay, let's go to heels. Ooh, test shoesies. Oh, they're unavailable, dang it. Let's go to accessories. Available, off sale. Dang it, I really want to do socks. I wanted those socks. Oh, by the way, guys, if we go into Royal High, let's just quickly go into Royal High, and I'll show you why I have no diamonds at all. So let's quickly go to the new Royal High, and I'll show you soon. Okay, so I need to get to my dorm to show you why I have no diamonds at all. So, let me go claim a dorm. One that's big enough to show you. So we need the pink one at the moment. That's all we need right now. The pink. The pink dorm. Just to show you. Okay. So this one has no one in it. So we're going to claim that. We're going to walk in. Wow, you're getting really down. And climb this pink bedroom. See, this is why I have no diamonds now. This is why I have no diamonds. I wasted them all on this bed. I don't know why I did that. I wish I could take it back. And then I'd probably have like 25,000 diamonds by now. Wait, I heard you could trade now. So, let's go back to Divinia and see if we can actually trade now. Because I really want a halo, and I'm gonna ask him for a halo. I'm gonna see if they'll give me a halo. Like a Valentine's light. I don't care. Like, I just want a halo, that's it. I don't care what halo I get, I just want a halo. So I'll see you when we get to Divinia. So we're in Divinia now. Let's find someone that looks expensive. And wastes all their money, like Santa or something. Who looks like they waste most of their money? This girl right here. Oh. You can't trade anymore? What? Why can't you trade? Why can't you trade? Oh, you got all our debt? And you want to say Patches Day 2019? Okay, okay. Goodbye guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.